Pandas, keep only true values after Groupby a DataFrame. I've been working on a DataFrame with user_IDs, date-time objects, and other information, like the following extract. I've grouped users with and then check for no single data-time objects. I've obtained the following Boolean data frame. Which is fine for my purposes to keep only user_ID with a true masked value. Now I would like to keep only the user_ID values associated to the true values, and write them to a new data frame with pandas.to_CSV, for instance. The expected data frame would contain only the user_ID with more than one date-time object. How may I have access to the Boolean values for each user_ID? Thanks for your kind help.
Assign the result of df.groupB, user_ID, a datetime, a .apply, lambda g column len, g1, to a variable so you can perform Boolean indexing and then use the index from this to call ISON and filter your origdf. You can then call to_CSV on the above as normal.
First, make sure you have no duplicate entries. Then, figure out the counts for each. Finally, figure out where the indexes overlap.
If you want to support the channel,